What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com doing a market review for the week for what we've been doing. S&P 500 movement, very, very interesting. A little bit of overextension on this, what a lot of people are referring to as a relief rally. I would tend to agree on that. You can see that there's some overextension on that MACD histogram. Price action volume hasn't been terribly high, especially if you're looking at the SPY. Not a ton of bullish volume propping price action higher and higher and higher. We are running into some 50-day simple moving average resistance right through here. And you can see that it looks like this move is kind of coming off a little bit. And again, that momentum looks like it might be peaking, might be entering that area of completely overbought, which would mean that this play is a bit overcooked and overdone. With that said, we have been using that relative strength in our favor. We've had some fantastic upside movements on some of the trades that we were calling out in Ask a Trader and through the alerts list. Now the first one, not a huge move, but GLUU. We talked about this last night in Ask a Trader. Had this nice ascending triangle squeeze at 8:15. It broke out, closed today at 9:38. You know, we're looking at this in terms of a short-term swing trade, and so far it's worked out. So this thing broke out earlier on in the week, and you can see that the volume is confirming that Glue Mobile is actually moving. So that's one of the stocks we're looking at. CZZ is another nice move that we called out. And it had this really nice inverse head and shoulders when it broke up above those moving averages and approached this 895 resistance level. You can see that it popped and it's been moving. And this right through here is actually a measured move from the neckline or from the head to the neckline. What we're doing is using this as a potential forecasting tool. And you can see as of right now at about 810, price action is about halfway through what that measured move is. A lot of our traders are already in profit with this, and CZZ has been working out very, very well. Now, we also talked about Macy's on the short side of things, and Macy's great play. So we were looking at a breakdown of 27.88. I believe Macy's was downgraded and it gapped down and continued moving lower today. This is going to be triggering a sell on many, many radars, and this 25.5 level right through here is probably going to give out Monday, and we'll really get into that selling volume. And you can see the supply is really hitting the market right through here, and people just don't want to hold Macy's right now. So we've had a fantastic week with some of the alerts. And the biggest play of the week that the members were taking advantage of, Netflix, NFLX, massive play. We were talking about this at $298. I put this out on Sunday. Monday morning it broke out. I said first target, 200-day simple moving average. It crushed it. 337.59. Price action still moving, and that momentum is still going. The volume is there. This is working out. The options have exploded on this, and the team's happy. NFLX, Netflix, great move. So those are some of the trades that we put on this week as a team. We talked about this in Ask a Trader, the webinar that we host for our members on both Tuesday and Thursday. And a lot of people making a lot of good cash on these trades. I'm not going to go over too many of the day trades that I put on, but throughout the week I was consistently trading Apple long short, along with Schlumberger, Facebook, and the SPY. So we had a great week with the day trading stuff too. If you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. Links to all of our social media platforms are actually just below in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn those notifications on. And if you want to join us in an upcoming webinar, again, there's a link in the description box below. Hit us up, get involved, see what the team is doing. If you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. Again, thanks so much for watching this weekly market review for what the J. Lewis Trading team was doing.